तुम्ही सांगितले की TCP जे परमिशन्स लागतात त्या पणजे जाल्यार MLAच्या परमिशना शिवाय तुम्ही जावंक
No, no, no. I am saying what happened. As far as PDAs are concerned, there are members in the PDA. There is a board for PDA. And when board, whichever the area which comes under PDA, in the jurisdiction of the PDA, those MLAs basically are the members. Suppose Benjamin MLA, I become member. Taligaon MLA is a member. Then Joshua is a member. Talus is a member. Michael is a member. You know all the constituencies, whichever basically ODP, where ODPs are there. Their land is in that area is ODP, so they become members. Now there have been no meetings whatsoever. Nothing has been discussed in the meeting. Because see, why they had made this members and who had made this formulated this PDA was formulated by our senior leader Pratap Singh Rani. He has basically formulated this PDA and how the formation of the PDA that they only had. So here why it was members was there. A member was there, elected member was there. So basically, if there is any objection he has got, or anything whatever is happening in his constituency, basically he knows of it. So that is the issue. Now here whatever PDAs have been thrown in the air, no meetings have basically been held. This is not only our PDA. There are other two PDAs. So this is not acceptable. We should know what is happening in our constituency. That is very clear. ODP, whatever the ODP of Panjim has been pending for the past 4 years to be finalized. There are objections, suggestions, everything has been scrutinized. Now it is only basically the details of change of zones and whatever is there that should be basically put on the map. That we are waiting for the past 4 years, nothing has been done. So if at least this ODP was in place, then there would have been no problem whatsoever. And here what is the problem? Arbitrarily, these people change the zone at any given time. Now 4 years became that ODP is pending for finalization. Then what has happened? Those people who had put objections, suggestions, their thing has not been heard. But out of turn, whoever has come, those change of zone has been taken into consideration. So that is not acceptable. And as far as ODPs are concerned, what you do in regional plan is not a problem. ODP is mostly it is the minute details of the place area where road, where all the different infrastructure should come. That you cannot do arbitrarily. You cannot just one fine day I get up from my meeting and I see 300 floor basically come and sign over. And I don't even know. Being an MLA, I myself don't know what is done. This issue basically was raised by other MLAs also.
So who is responsible for this?
So TCP
not taking.
No, I am just trying to say, let us follow the rule of the land. That's what I am trying to say.
पण मिनिस्टर काय ऍक्शन घेणार म्हणता काय
TCP डिपार्टमेंट कॉन्फिडन्सान घेना MLAच्या.
The reason I am saying no, the ODP, I am also waiting. ODP of Panjim should be completed, and after it's completed, the ODP of Panjim or any ODP are basically a lifeline is set 10 years. You cannot basically touch that for 10 years. Maybe after 5 years, you can have some changes.
तुमच्या बेगीच्या बेगीन ODPची
I
मीटिंग
also want to know. So ODP is what is even and now as far as CCP is concerned, CCP mayor or the commissioner is one of the member of the district. He himself doesn't know what is happening in Panjim. The files are just coming. Files are coming bypassing basically even the chairman. Files are just being signed by the member secretary and files are directly coming. So as far as the ODP, what we have said, we have sent the files back to the PDA. Asking them under what section you have done this change of zone, because this doesn't figure in the original plan. So we at least should know what is happening.
So TCP डिपार्टमेंट कॉन्फिडन्सान कोणाकूच घेना आसतना कन्वर्जन्स करता.
Arbitrarily everything has been done. I am just trying to. I also want no ODPs to be done. Do the complete ODP. Then don't touch the ODP. Now as far as the lifeline of Taligaon ODP is concerned, last it was done when I was the chairman. That is in 2019 whatever. So from then, so 2019 the lifeline is there till 2029. So we don't want any ODPs to be touched in Taligaon for till the 10 years.
असे कित्याक जाता? Why it is delayed? कित्याक
We are not taking other people into confidence. That is the thing.
These people in the point are these people.
TCP department
or
TCP department, whoever right there from the head of the department. So whoever heads the department. It is right. And there's nothing, no words to be minced. I am just trying to say follow the rules. That's what I'm trying to say.
Head of the TCP department is Vishwajit Rane.
Sorry?
Head of the TCP department is
Into confidence. We should at least, as a MLA, as a representative of the thing, tomorrow fine we will go for election. Say, some people will, how come you gave 300 and what I'm supposed to say? I don't know what has happened. You say you are a minister in the government and you are only telling it is a irresponsible statement from you. Don't know what is happening. So at least we should know. That's what I'm trying to say. Let there be clarity.
MLA should be taken into confidence.
Let there be clarity. Let the PDAs function. That's what I'm trying to say. Let the body function. That is my